Hi students, welcome to our Vidya classes. Students, today we are going to discuss about the breathing system, or that is called respiratory system. Okay, so let's start. We will discuss about what is breathing system or what is respiratory system. Students, you all of you know that we will take breath. Okay, we will take air or oxygen from our environment through inhale, and we will exhale also. So how this system is happening inside our body, we will discuss. So do you recall why Kunal's mother scolded him when he covered his face while sleeping? Did you know that? So let's start. What is the relation between that? Keep your left hand on your chest as you read this. Did you notice anything? Does your chest move up and down? Did you observe, students? You just put your left hand on your left side chest, and what you feel, just tell me. Okay, your chest always ups and down. Why it's happening, students? This happens because we are breathing all the time. Always it is a continuous process which we will do it. We take in oxygen rich air through our nose. Through nose. In this picture you can see, students, this is our nose, mouth, this is the lungs, and this is the windpipe. Okay, through nose we will take oxygen from our the environment. Okay, the lungs, the air travels down the windpipe into the lungs. The air which you will inhale or which you will take, it will pass through the windpipe, okay, into the lungs, to this lungs. The lungs expand while when filled with air. When air will go, it will expand. How? When you will blow the balloon to a, when you will blow a balloon, how? So when air will go into the balloon, how balloon is a swollen like this, expand like this. Our lungs also expand when air will fill with. Here an exchange of gas takes place. Oxygen is dissolved into the blood. Our oxygen is dissolved into the blood, students. Okay, circulated to every cell in the body. To whole body our oxygen will go. When we will take oxygen, student, to whole body, to body parts, every body parts, the oxygen will go through with the help of blood, and carbon dioxide from the blood enters to the lungs, and carbon dioxide from the blood enters to the lungs. We breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, we will take oxygen from the environment and we will remove carbon dioxide from our body, and we die when we stop breathing. You know, student, if you if your breathing will be stopped, then we may die. So if you stop little bit, or sometimes for our nose or mouth, we will feel very striking, we will feel very strike, and we will feel unconsciousness because of the oxygen will not go inside. So you never ever try this in your home. Okay, so every times we should take oxygen from the air. So let's start, student. Now we will come to, so when we will breathe air, it is called inhalation. Inhalation. Okay, when we will breathe out, it is called exhalation. So inhalation means the air which is entered to our body, that is called inhalation, and the air which will breathe out, okay, which air will comes out from our the body, it is called exhalation. Okay, so that is inhalation and exhalation. Understood? So now we will come to our the nervous system. What? The nervous system, students. What is nervous system? We will discuss. Okay, so before going to discuss about the nervous system, I will tell you some little information about it. See, students, sometimes if you will sit outside, and sometimes if your teacher will beat, you will get hurt, yes or no? And sometimes when a mosquito will bite you, suddenly you will raise your hand and you started to give punishment to the mosquito, yes or no? So how do you come to know that suddenly a mosquito is biting you in your backside, or how do you feel that when someone is unconsciously beating you? So you will feel hurt, you will started to cry, or you started to give reply, why you are beating me. Sometimes your friend in classroom, they will pinch you. Then how do you come to know that? Okay, so it's only possible because inside our body nerves are there. Okay, so let's start how it's functioning. Okay, what happens when you hear a speeding car, ears send a message to the brain. It is senses possible danger. Okay, the brain send message to the muscles to move, and you automatically jump to the safely. Okay, all this happens so quickly, what even before you realize what is happening, you are safe. Okay students, for example students, now it's my hand, this is my hand. If I will pinch like this, I will feel hurt. Okay, suddenly someone if will pinch like this, student, if your friend, mother, parents, anybody, if will someone pinch and someone bite, how do you feel suddenly? How do you feel? Because it is very quick process students, that these are inside our body, nerves are there. Okay, that nerves will be suddenly informed to our brain, and brain will tell you suddenly that someone is pinching you, some mosquito is biting you. So that nervous will give information to our brain. Okay, so brain is our main part which will give all information to the all part. Okay, and which will inform you that bite is a mosquito is biting on your body, go and give punishment. Suddenly we will beat a mosquito, yes or no student? If your mother will be started punishing, you will get feel hurt. How? When, in which place? If I will beat like this, I will feel hurt, because that part will inform suddenly to the brain. It will go to this suddenly, quickly to the brain, and brain will give instruction, do whatever you want to do. Okay, and save your body. The nervous system is made of the brain. And which is control center. The spinal cord which connect the brain to the, this is called student spinal cord. In this picture you can see this is our nervous system, how inside our body that nerves are there. If you will pinch here, if you got hot here, suddenly it will give information to the brain student through the spinal cord and everywhere. Okay, because everywhere in our body the net like structure, nervous structure are there. Okay, which connects the brain to the rest of the body and a network of the nerves. Understood students? So one set of nerves carries a message from the sense organs to the brain. Another set of nerves carry the message from the brain to the muscle. First, if you pinch here student, it will give information to the brain. Again brain will give information to take safe or do whatever you want to do against your punishment or hit. Okay. So nerves of skin send message to the brain. We have to touch the something hot. The brain immediately send message to the hand muscle to remove or move away, and the hand taken the action. See students, if I will see my hand is there, if someone I will come and pinch, suddenly I will take my hand like this, because that when I will pinch, at that time I am feeling very hot. So that part will give information to the brain. Again my brain will give another information, someone is pinching you, just remove your hand like this. Okay student, when you will put hand in outside or somewhere, if you will sit outside your home, some mosquito will bite you, and when mosquito will bite you, suddenly that nerve system will give information to the brain, and again when brain will get information someone is biting, then what will happen? You will remove your hand or head, and suddenly what happened? And you will started to give punishment that mosquito. Okay, so we will do like this because of our nervous system student. Understood? So now student we will discuss about our circular system. Okay, so it is very important student. See, this is pump works only when we push, it will not pump it into air, that type on its own. Okay, this pump works non-stop on its own, because of it stops working, we die. Okay, you know circulatory system, what happens student? This is our heart. The brain does not control the heart. Heart is an automatic system. It is automatically the blood will be from the heart to will go to the all parts of the body. See here, from heart, this is the heart and this is our body. From heart blood will go to whole part of the body, and from whole part of the body blood will come to the heart. Okay, so this system is called circulatory system. Our heart is a strong, fast sized muscle. It pumps blood around the body non-stop, and right from the time we are in our mother's womb till we die. Okay students, so from our birth to, from our home to tomb, means from our birth to till die, it will works. Okay, blood is our body transport system. It will travel to all parts of the body through a network called blood vessels. See, you can see blood vessels. So these blood vessels, blood will transport always continuously. See student, I can show you very closely. You can see this is the veins. Inside the vein, blood always transport to whole part of the body to heart, that heart, and from that heart to our all parts of the body. Okay, arteries carry oxygenated rich blood. Arteries carry oxygenated rich blood and to the heart, and digested food from the small intestine to the million of cells in our body, and veins collected impure oxygenate, impure means student oxygen poor blood which are not oxygen, and carry it back to the heart. Okay, arteries carry rich in oxygen blood from heart to different part of the blood, and where the veins you can see blue like structure student, that vein will carry from heart, from different part of the body to heart. Okay, so that is vein will carry the blood. Clear students? So a complex rail system, here you can see it is rules like a railway track. Okay, our circulatory system, this is our circulatory system. The heart, blood and blood vessel make up circulatory system. It is very important student, the heart, blood and blood vessels will make up a circulatory system. Every major organ in our body has an artery bringing fresh blood, and vein carry away used blood. Okay students, it is very important. It takes about a minute for a blood to circulate the body. Okay, 1 minute for the blood circulate for a body. Clear student? Understood? So you just know about our circular system. In higher classes we come to know about more about information about it. Okay students, so in heart and blood vessels make up a circulatory system. Now we will come to student excretory system. Okay, after having lunch or dinner, if you drink water, after sometimes you are going for toilet or washroom. Okay, to remove our whatever we have eaten, means it may be food, it may be water. Okay, so we will remove, that is called, to remove our waste material from our body is called excretory system. Every morning you get up, go to the toilet and brush your teeth, you have a bath and go to school. What if you for 2 days you are unable to go the toilet? How do you feel student? Did you feel when I am full you are empty? Okay, that means how do you feel? How would you feel? Your body has a system which helps us to digest the food we eat and throw the waste out. The kidney, lungs and the skin make up us a system. Okay, called excretory system. Kidney, lungs and skin will make up a excretory system student. Okay, this system help us to keep our body clean by the excreting the waste in the form of urine, stool, sweat and carbon dioxide. Kidneys are bean shaped organs which clean our blood. Kidney will clean our blood student. Understood student? The reproductive system. You have learned that all living things reproduce their young ones. Birds lay eggs, animals give birth, human beings also give birth to their young ones. This is possible because of reproductive system. Means we all are got birth from our mother, so because of that reproductive system. Okay, this is only system which is different in man and woman. Okay, a woman can give birth to young ones, but a man never ever give birth to a young ones. Okay, so this is thing student, and keeping fit, we will keep fit also. Okay, so this is all about our excretory, circulatory system and nervous system students. So here our chapter is finished, so I will send you very soon the exercise part students. Let's go through it, and exercise part try to practice again and again, revision it. Your exam is coming very soon, so I hope all of you are understood clearly. So thank you students, take care.